hope all is well. Today I did the unthinkable. I purchased an evil twin Hermes Kelly. Don't get it twisted, it's an evil twin because I ain't a rich that can afford all this stuff that other girls can. So if you're with me, girls, could you give me an amen? Anyway, if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I compare bags, I review on bags, plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. And please follow, why is the N? N. Please follow my new fashionista channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So what brought me to this day? I don't know. Am I getting influenced because I see everybody with the Hermes bag? It's the it bag. I don't really like the Birkin. I don't care who has it, but the Kelly is cute. So we are gonna try this out, and maybe one day I will buy an authentic one. But for now, we are here. You could love it or hate it. If you hate it, then don't watch me. Let's get started. Oh my God. It does give me those whoa factor. Really nice, right? Let's just open her up and drop her. So here's the box. I have a lot of light, so it's giving it a really orange hue, and it's not that orange. Let me see if I can get the right color. Probably not. So that's pretty much the real color of this box, and the box is in great condition. Here is the paper. Paper is gorgeous. Tissue paper. All right, get into this. Here is the bag. But first, let's look at what it includes. It includes an Hermes envelope with some cute paperwork. I do love me some cute paperwork. All this stuff includes a receipt and the raincoat, I believe. Rain bag coat. So that's that. Quick and easy. Let's get to the bag. This is a really pretty dust bag. It has a drawstring, and I think this is too light of an imprint for this dust bag. I don't know, you can comment below. I'm not trying to go mirror quality on this one because even evil twin or Hermes bags are expensive. Here it is. Now, here are the feet. I don't know if I should take these off or leave them on. I just removed them all to show you how shiny it is. And there is the stitching. Now I didn't get the highest quality one, so if you see inconsistencies, then that's normal for me. That's what I wanted, because again, these evil twins can cost a lot. So let me show you the side. I like the glazing. There is little sleeves, and I'll show you just little bits of it. The side. Okay. Now these have plastics on them. I'm going to remove them because why not? There it is. And we take this off, and there's another plastic. There's little plastics everywhere. You can see the plastic. You basically like whatever, I just removed it. There's a little hardware. These are bolted in, feels, whatever. Take this off, and there is the foil stamping and more plastic for protection. And there's the inside. There's a strap, we'll get to that in a second. Oh, there is a code. There's some kind of code here. I don't know about Hermes bags, so whatever this code means, great. I don't care. I know some of you do. And there is the tab, which doesn't fall down. It goes like side like that. And it looks like there's a little, I don't know if I can see that, there's a little H end over there, which is really cool. This smells really good. There's a pocket here, a zip here, as you can see. And see if we can show the zipper tab better. Let's see if you can see that. Let's see. There's an H. It's like a little H at the corner over there. You can see it. It's really cool. It's a really pretty bag. Okay, let's look at the strap. Hold her. Oh my gosh, so adorable. So this is the dust bag for the strap. Oh, and there's a lock in this key holder thingy. So mine has gold hardware and it actually matches everything. Sorry my hands are dry, but I don't know, just sorry. Why am I sorry? I don't know why I'm sorry. Everyone says sorry, so I might as well say the key and the lock. Let's see if it works. And it works. Beautiful. Here it is. I played with it for a second, and that's how I like it. The keys are inside. In here, I'm gonna put the lock in here so I don't lose it, because I have no idea what to do with it right now. If you have any ideas on where to put the lock, I know you put it here, but like I want to be able to open the bag freely, so just to get a feel. I'm actually loving this bag. It's really adorable. Strap. The strap. Can you see my eye? Did you see it? Strap time. Open this up. Oh my god, it seems really long. There is plastic everywhere, which I totally appreciate. It's very adorable. Wow, this is cute. Has a stamping of Hermes there. Again, this is the size 25, so it's the smallest one. I have always been a sucker for small bags, so I love it. The size is perfect. She said 28, and I was like, let's go smaller. So there it is. This moment. Again, the stamping is there, and this is the strap. She is adorable. The Kelly bag is beautiful, I have to admit. And to be honest, I feel like it's smart to get an Evil Twin first, because like the Birkin that I purchased a while ago, it is an Evil Twin too, and I don't really like it, so I gave it to my mom. She likes it. I feel like the Hermes Birkin has that like very classic, like very conservative look, which I'm not about. And I can be sometimes, but I need some like oomph or some extra something in it. I feel like the Birkin could be cute if you get vibrant colors, but if you get like a very neutral color like this, it could easily look like a very conservative, classic, like stuffy look. To me, it's stuffy. I know I'm stereotyping them. My apologies if I insult anybody, but that is my opinion. I'm 5'4", folks, so for crossbody, this is how it fits. Actually, it's really cute. It's like the perfect length for crossbody, and it has that moment. It's like right, the strap is right under my like waist. I have a short torso, so it's right here. My waist is here, is where it is, and the bag's on my butt. I have to be careful of colors transfer, I know. Oh my goodness. Wow, everybody. I didn't think I was gonna love this bag that much, but I'm loving it so far. So let's see how the wear is. I mean, on a daily basis, can I wear this? Have a wonderful day, everybody, and talk to you soon. Bye.